Today we're going to talk about consonants K and W. So let's just go through the description here. So in Spanish, the letters K and W are found only in foreign words. The K is pronounced like an English K without the puff of air, and the W is pronounced like the B or V when it occurs between vowels. So basically, it only occurs in words which are not in the Spanish language. So um, K is pronounced like the regular K, whereas W is pronounced like the B or V when it's between the vowels. So let's just look at some examples here.
Listen and repeat these K words.
Kiosco,
Kiosco, kiosk.
kilómetro,
Kilometro, kilometro,
kilómetro,
kilometro.
karate,
Karate,
kerosene,
kerosene,
kayak,
kayak.
ketchum, ketchum,
So not ketchup,
ketchum, ketchum,
sounds more like ketchum, ketchum,
ketchum,
ketchum,
ketchum,
ketchum.
Listen and repeat these K words.
Alright,
kiosco,
kiosco,
kilómetro,
kilometro,
karate,
karate,
kerosene,
kerosene,
kayak,
kayak,
ketchup,
ketchup.
Listen and repeat these K words.
kiosco,
Kiosco,
kilómetro,
kilometro,
karate,
karate,
kerosene,
kerosene,
kayak,
kayak,
ketchum,
ketchum.
Listen and repeat these W words.
And from what you know, if a W occurs between vowels, it's pronounced like the B or V.
water, water,
Okay, so it's water,
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 whiskey,
whiskey,
Walkman,
Walkman,
washingtoniano,
Washingtoniano from Washington DC.
wangster,
What?
wangster, wangster,
Alright, this doesn't even
wangster, wangster, wangster,
Wangster. I don't know.
weekend,
Weekend,
Listen and repeat these W words.
water,
water,
whiskey,
whiskey,
Walkman,
Walkman. So this doesn't seem to be very important in terms of or in the context of the other exercise which you're doing, because these are only words which are not in the Spanish language. So obviously doesn't mean
Washingtoniano,
Washingtoniano,
Western,
Western,
weekend,
weekend,
Listen and repeat these W words.
water, whiskey, Wallman,
so it's a little different.
Wallman,
So it's not Walkman. Okay,
washingtoniano,
Washingtoniano.
wangster, weekend,
Anyway, so these words are not in the Spanish language, so therefore I don't think the pronunciation is that important. So I mean, in respect to the other exercises which were Spanish words. So the next video I'll be looking at diphthong EU. So until then, see you next time.